show you how to use Android phone to make phone calls when you don't have any service. Like this here is a prepaid phone and I haven't paid for the service on it. So I got my Wi-Fi working on here and I'm going to go to the Play Store. I'm going to look up Hangouts. Yeah, you want to download Hangouts, download the dialer, and put that on your phone. This is what it'll look like. So you can go on here and dial out. Hey, baby.
Hey.
I just was showing my audience how to dial out with the Google phone for the Hangouts.
All right.
Thank you. So there you go. Nothing to it.